Hey folks, quick show and tell here. I've got my son's Trek, city bike, trekking bike, and I saw something online on YouTube. A guy made a plate that you can mount pretty much any box to these Topeak click and go systems. They have this rail system, very common on a lot of kayak applications, except in a smaller form, in a like 1/4-20 channel. This is a really wide channel. You could see how it bevels inward here on this track. And then the Topeak branded bags, they've got this special plate underneath where you can slide it on, and there's a clip that clips up here. Really slick. But what this guy did is said, hey, what if I don't want to buy their bag? I want to adapt a different bag. I think he had a Harbor Freight bag or something. So I made one of the plates and just modified it to work for my needs. So this is the plate. That's the front end of it with the hook that I have glued and fastened there. Nice big round hole for a pull tab on the back. And there's the track. You can see how that's beveled. Of course, you need a table saw and you need stock. What I used here is multiple pieces of what is called subflooring. Good stuff for drawer bottoms. But anyhow, I made my my plate here. It slides in. Actually, let me put this on my head. 1 second. First of all, too, this is a great box. This ammo can. MTM molded products. MTM. I don't know if you can see that. I bought it off of eBay. So it's the AC50C. There are the dimensions there. I bought a Harbor Freight box, very cheaply made, and it was not waterproof, even though it had a foam seal in it. Two latching latches there, lock pad eyes. The O-ring in this is very substantial, and the hinge here is very substantial, and so is the box, but it's really not that heavy. It's not at all heavy. In fact, it's lighter than a Brook Brothers canvas or a nylon bag that we have. So this is pretty cool. And then you see here I had to cut out so this lays flat, and then I'm going to bolt this with stainless hardware so that fits in there flat. And I've got some stainless washers and some rubber washers, and I'm going to have 4 countersunk. You need small number 6 countersunk screws, bolts that come up through, and I'm going to have acorn nuts on the bottom or on the inside, so you know it doesn't mar anything that you put in there. But here's how this goes. You slide this in, line it up. You'll feel when it makes good contact. Slides in just like that, and because this has this tongue here, you're just going to press. I use a little bit of force here, press here, and there it is. So that's not going anywhere. Now, to keep it from going further forward, see how it might creep that way, I'm going to have a stainless bolt that goes through here and comes out and touches that back plate there, so it won't migrate this way any further. Just be careful not to put it too far forward, or you won't get the correct latch here. And then of course, box is going to go right there. It's nice and flush there. It's lightweight, it's waterproof, kind of cool. And then when you don't want to use it, of course this will be fastened to the plate. You're just going to press down on this, pull this out, just like that. And of course this will be fastened to the box. I think it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Bye. All right, here it is installed. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's the acorn nut. There's a rubber washer underneath that stainless fender washer. Now I will say I went for a test ride, and it's like a drum, so you can hear. So it's definitely not as pleasant without riding, but if you need to transport something and keep it waterproof and have plenty of room. This is one way to go. You can see that little stop. I don't know if you can see the stop that I put there. I'll take it off now. So again, you're going to press down here. There it is. There's that stop. I put some marine heat shrink on that there. But that's it. That's it removed. Of course, when you set it down, that stop is going to make it tilt, but it's fine. You want to slide this back on. Push this down. It locks in. Very nice.